Come to once.
Ginataang hipon.
Mama do posting.
Papa food. Potato
Yeah.
with
Yum yum.
cheese. Eggs with banana, with bagong. My black rice. And Merel favorite crunchy food that we give this eggs, my love. And potato. We give her everything.
Very hot, of course. Amigo.
Merel, come. Come here now. Merel, come. Guys, Merel not it, guys. Shisha, look. Look, Merel plate, guys. Look, Merel plate did not finish.
Full.
Did not finish. Look, guys. Merel did not eat, guys.
Guys, Papa plate empty.
Oh, Papa finished finally. Nice or not nice? Of
Oh, very
course,
nice.
very nice. He finished.
9.2 points.
Not 100. Never 100 for Peta.
92.
92.
That's almost 100. Come on.
How about you, Merel? Look at your food. Potato, fish, what do you call it? Fish crackers and sausage. Eat. Good job. Oi. Oi. Slowly. Good job, Merel. Hello, guys. Merel, eat now. Good job, Merel. Finish your food. Nagtapon niya na guys doon sa ilalim ng ano. Sa ilalim ng misa lahat ng pagkain ni Merel. Finally si Papa nakaubos na ang kanyang food. Potato with sausage with cheese. Guys, naglitson manok si Dutch. Kaya nalukot ang aking nilagyan ng ano. Nalukot siya. So, baliktarin natin. Ganda ng kulay, oh. This is our dinner. Spam, this one, guys. Lagay ko sa aking salad. Curly potato and lechon manok. First time kong mag-lechon manok, guys. Sana masarap.